Just looked like a bomb went off. When I seen the house over there, I didn't think we'd find anybody alive.
It seemed like a normal day.
I got an alert on my phone, and then all hell broke loose.
It was complete chaos.
Go, go!
Mother Nature gives you a warning sign. Get ready for something big.
You just hang on for dear life and hope for the best.
Currently, the temperature is 75 degrees under cloudy skies.
Lean Cuisine. What you want, how you want it. Lean Cuisine crave-worthy comfort food. All 400 calories or less. Your goals in your control. You rule. Lean Cuisine.
Get running right with a deliciously bold, smooth espresso drink from Dunkin', like an iced latte, mocha, or oat milk latte. Because this day isn't going to conquer itself. No, you're going to do that. Take a sip of You've Got This with Dunkin' espresso drinks. Order ahead plus earn rewards. America runs on Dunkin'.